So this is the part 414 multiplier programming exercise under the Java Mooc course. So the exercise asks us to create a class multiplier. So first of all, let's create a class multiplier, new Java class. For the creation of the class, we need to create a constructor public multiplier that takes a single parameter number. So create int has been done. We need to create a public method as well. So let's create method as a parameter named is the value of the number passed to it multiplied by the number provided to the constructor. So turn we need to define private int number. Then we have to define this that number equals to first that created a constructor, we have created a method, right? Now the exercise asks us that you also need to create an instance variable in this exercise, which we have just done it right here. Okay, now let's check the main program. So in the main program, there are some codes given. So first of all, an object is created of the class multiplier. Then prints something. It prints that multiplied by 3 dot multiply 2. So this subset is our multiplier, and we need to multiply this value. So 2 multiplied by 3, that should give us an output of 6. Again, here is the object multiplied by 4. So our multiplier is 4, and we are multiplying it to the number 2. So this must give us an output of 8, and multiply by 1. So this should give us the same value as our input. So if we hit and play this, okay, let's see. To give us an output of 6 here, 8 from this line, and 3 from this line, and 1. Oh, sorry, multiply by 4 from this line again. So yeah, we have our output of 6 here, 3 and 4. So let's just hit the server and see if we have done this correctly. All tests have passed on the server, and this is how you solve the problem. Thank you.